Hi children, welcome you all for the today's English class. So in this session we are going to read and write. Come, let's start. So make use of this opportunity children. So please follow the instruction. Write the lines as it is. We are following because Principal Ma'am instructed clearly that only 6 lines need to be written every day on our sessions. So while we are sending the teaching videos, along with that we will send the handwriting video also. Please follow, read and send your videos Ruby's English group, and write and send it to your handwriting book photocopies through Teachment. Please follow the instruction children and do as it is children. Let's move on to the session now. Children, let's start the reading part. So children, take your course book, reader, page number 3, the first chapter, Why the Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. So take your course book children, page number 3, first chapter, Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. Children, let's start today's reading part. So in the previous session, we read the first page from the prose, first lesson, Why the Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. Now we are moving on to the next page. We are continuing it. So page number 3, first prose, Why the Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. Look at the first one. One little bird has broken its wing and could not keep up with the others. He lay alone in a cold forest. So keep your fingers, take your textbook children, course book. First prose, Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. First block, one little bird had broken his wing and could not keep up with others. He lay alone in a cold forest. Oh no, they've left me behind. The small baby bird is telling here, oh no, they've left me behind. What shall I do? Maybe I can ask the trees of the forest to help me. I'll repeat, oh no, they've left me behind. What shall I do? Maybe I can ask the trees of the forest to help me. So children, keep your fingers and follow me children. Repeat along with me. Read it. Keep your fingers. Now after the reading session, this reading session should be taken as video and you have to send it to me. And your writing part should be sent through Teachment. So be clear children. Your reading part should be taken video and you have to send it the video in the group, Emerald English group, and the writing part should be sent in Teachment. So look at the second one. The little bird decided to approach the bridge tree. First the little bird approaching the bridge tree. Beautiful bridge tree, my wing is broken. Beautiful bridge tree, my wing is broken and my family has flown away. Flown means fly, flew, flown. Flown away. May I live among your branches like till they come back for me. So here the little bird is asking the bridge tree, beautiful bridge tree, my wing is broken and my family has flown away. May I live among your branches till they come back for me. The bridge tree is replying here, we of the great forest have our own birds to help. I can't do anything for you. So the bridge tree is replying here, we of the great forest have our own birds to help. I can't do anything for you. Look at the next one. The little bird was very upset. The little bird was upset. Perhaps the bridge tree isn't strong enough. I'll ask the oak. he'll be stronger. I'll repeat. The little bird was upset. Perhaps the bridge isn't strong enough. I'll ask the I will. The short form here it is I'll. I'll ask the oak. He'll. He will. The short form here it is he will. He'll. He'll be stronger. So, perhaps the bridge tree isn't strong enough. I'll ask the oak. He'll be stronger. So, next one here. He then spoke to the oak tree. The little bird, after the bridge tree, it went to the oak tree. Oh, great oak tree, you are so strong. Will you let me live on your branches till my family comes back in spring? So here, the small baby bird is asking to the oak tree, oh, great oak tree, you are so strong. Will you let me live on your branches till my family comes back in spring? The oak tree replies here, that's a long time, little bird. Who knows what you will. The short form is you'll. It should be pronounced as you'll, children. What you will get up to in that time. You will probably eat up all my acorns. So see here, that's a long time, little bird. Who knows what you will get up to in that time. You will probably eat up all my acorns. So this is what the page number 3, children, from your course book, first prose, why evergreen trees never lose their leaves. So read along with me, children. Practice it once and take your video and send it in the group, Emerald English group. Don't send it in online 5th group. It should be sent through Emerald English group. And your handwriting images should be uploaded in today's created folder, handwriting session 3. So do the work properly and send your assignments according to the instruction. Now let's move on to the handwriting part. Children, take your handwriting book and follow the instruction. Write the date first, children. Then draw lines. And please follow the page. Maintain the page. Please don't write extra lines. Only when we have a English teaching video, we have write handwriting session. In that session, how many lines I am writing, the same line should be written in your handwriting book. So this will be checked by ma'am when you submit your handwriting book. So please write along with me and don't write the extra pages and don't write ugly. It should be neat with proper pattern. So as it is given the dotted lines, your handwriting should be maintained. So please cooperate with us and do the needful. Let's move on to the today's writing part. Children, take your handwriting book. Take your handwriting book, all of you. Take page number 1. Take page number 1. So children, in the last class we completed 6, 8, this stroke and this stroke. Now we are going to start this stroke from, that is tick, from page number 1. Then we are going to write this tick. So 2 ticks we are going to write. So please follow the instruction and do it, children. So let's start. Before, see children what I have did. First you need to write the date. So very important, children, write the date here on the top, 10/8/2021. Then you have to draw lines like this. So see children how I have drawn lines. So see here and see the next page also. Yes. So you have to draw lines like this. So follow the instruction as it is. And now we are going to start from the dotted line. See to the dotted line here first. Yes. Sharp your pencil. Yes. Start write the dotted line. Over the dotted line you must write. Don't go outside. It should not go outside As per it is given in the dotted line, you have to write. So see here. Yes. So this is the way you need to write, children. That's all. We completed the dotted line. Now we are moving on to the next line. See, like this you need to write. Follow the same pattern. How we are starting A, likewise we need to write. So same, it should not come out from the two lines, it should be inside the two lines. So that is very, very important. That's all. Remaining line you need to write, children, on your own. Okay. So now we are moving on to the next page. That is from page number 2. Okay. This tick we are going to write. First you need to draw lines like this. So see how I have drawn line. Now I'll start with the dotted line. See here. Sharp your pencil and then write, children. Yes. So this is the way we need to write. Write over the dotted properly. Yes. So we are writing the dotted line. See how I am writing over the dotted line. The same thing should be followed. So see. Yes. Likewise you need to write, children. So see how I have written. So like this you need to write the next line, children. So children, follow the instruction and do your work properly and send your assignments regularly. So children, your reading video to be sent in group, that is Emerald English group, and your handwriting should be uploaded. Your photocopy of your handwriting should be uploaded through Teachment.